In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payroll in Xero. By the end, you'll have your payroll foundation ready so you can confidently pay your team and stay compliant. First, make sure payroll is turned on in your Xero organization. If you don't see the payroll menu, you may need to enable it in your subscription or ask an administrator to grant you access. Once it's on, go to Payroll, then Overview. This is your command center for payroll tasks, and it's where we'll start the setup. On the Overview page, click Set Up Payroll. Xero will guide you through a short sequence. Begin by selecting your country or region. This matters because payroll rules, taxes, and terminology vary by location, and choosing the right region ensures Xero applies the correct settings and calculations behind the scenes. Next, enter your business details. Add your legal business name and address exactly as they appear on your official documents. Consistency here helps when generating payslips, tax reports, and government filings. Then choose your pay calendar. Decide whether you pay weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Pick the frequency that aligns with your employment agreements and cash flow. Xero will use this to schedule pay runs and reminders. You'll also set the pay period end date. This is the cutoff for each pay cycle, often the last day staff submit timesheets or the final day you count hours worked. Choose a day that gives you enough time to review and approve payroll before payday. With the basics in place, move to statutory details. Enter your tax identification numbers as required in your region, such as employer tax IDs or other registration numbers. Accurate entries here are crucial because Xero uses them on official forms and to calculate withholdings correctly. If you're operating in a country that requires government contributions, enable those now. For example, in the Philippines, you'd toggle on SSS, PhilHealth, and PAG-IBIG as applicable. Turning these on ensures the correct contributions are calculated and tracked with every pay run, keeping you compliant from day one. Before you finish, take a moment to review your entries. Confirm the country, business name, address, pay frequency, period end date, and all statutory numbers. Small typos can cause reporting issues later, so this quick check is worth it. When everything looks right, complete the setup. That's it for the initial configuration. Your payroll framework is now ready, and you're set to proceed with adding employees, pay items, and running your first pay cycle when you're ready.